Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Siren Head TikTok trend using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your CapCut application, and to create the Siren Head TikTok trend editing, I recommend you to go to the CapCut template and then you can use the available template, because if you edit it manually, it will take longer time. So I recommend you to use the template, and you can replace the video in the template with your own video. And here we can search Siren Head edit. Oops, sorry, I got typo. Okay, like this, and then there will be a lot of templates that you can use, and you just need to choose one of them. And I'm going to choose this template. Okay, this is the template guys, and then I'm going to use the template, and we need to select 15 items. Okay, you just need to use your photo. Oops, sorry guys. I'm going to pick random photos from my gallery. Okay, like this. Okay, I have already selected 15 items, and then I'm going to click on next. And then let's see the result. And I'm going to replace one of the photo guys, or just leave it like that. Okay, this is the result, and I'm going to make it louder. Okay, and if you're not satisfied with this template, you can try another one. I'm going to choose this horror template. It's not free, so let's try this one. I'm going to use my template, and we need to add 23 clip. Oh my god. So let's just choose a random photo. Wait. Alright, I have already selected all the items, and I'm going to click on next. Alright, and this is the result. And if you want to export it, just click on export. And if you want to remove the watermark, just click on export without watermark, and this CapCut watermark will be removed. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.